Good morning, everyone. Our lesson for today is the importance of occupational health and safety procedures. I'm your teacher, Deborah L. Monte Alto. Importance of occupational health and safety procedures eliminates possible danger in the workplace, reduce workplace stress, uses of tools appropriately, updates the supervisor about unsafe conditions, use mechanical assistance. Safety tips: wear clean clothing (PPE), tie hair during cooking, store knives in a wooden locked drawer, keep pot holders nearby. Sanitation in kitchen: washing of hands thoroughly, washing the kitchen tools properly, use a spoon in tasting food. Safety practices in the kitchen: wearing masks especially when a coworker has colds, removing all accessories before working, keeping fingernails short and clean, keep oneself clean, keeping tools and equipment clean. Common safe work practices: not taking unnecessary risk. Always look out for hazards. If you must smoke, do so only in designated areas. Keep your work area clean and tidy. Enter and leave the workplace using proper routes. 5 main causes of accidents and ill health: slips, trip, and fall. Fire hazards: contact with hot surfaces and harmful substances. Food poisoning, cuts and lacerations.